More than 20 years ago, we started a revolution with the development and launch of the Hyperboloid mixing technology. With our HYPERCLASSIC Mixer Evolution 7, we now brought this concept to its maximum potential.
The HYPERCLASSIC Mixer is different, looks different, and is built differently than anything you have ever seen for this kind of application.
The characteristic feature of the HYPERCLASSIC Mixer is the Hyperboloid shape. This design was derived from the streamlines of the flow, which appear when a basin or a stir tank are ideally mixed. This led to a mixing concept which is unique, highly effective and energy efficient.
Without a doubt, the proper position for a mixing element is the bottom of a tank. From there, particles have to be suspended and mixed into the fluid.
The more blades a mixer has, the more homogeneous and smoothly the energy is introduced into the medium. The HYPERCLASSIC Mixer has 8 fluid mechanically optimized, integrated motion fins, which produce a high pumping rate.
The high number of motion fins lead to smooth operation, and together with a shape, to a self-stabilizing hydrodynamic force distribution. This also means that long shaft can be used without bottom bushings.
A solid mixer body design, integrated motion fins and a flangeless shaft connection make the HYPERCLASSIC Mixer resistant to clogs and other debris that may be present in the basin. In order to create such a product, each component must be of the highest quality. Therefore, Invent exclusively uses components that are optimized, quality controlled and reliable.
Every design element of the HYPERCLASSIC Mixer performs a well-defined function. Through the optimum combination of these coordinated design elements, we have managed to create a truly unique mixer.
The HYPERCLASSIC Mixer is proven and has grown over the past 25 years into an industry standard in water and wastewater treatment. It is an essential part of many major water and wastewater treatment plants, for example in Berlin, Vienna, Barcelona,
Amsterdam, New York, Washington,
Tokyo, Singapore, Melbourne,
Dubai, Qatar, and Shanghai.
We're only satisfied with the best. It's not the easiest way, but this is our attitude, and it is the basis for our products.